Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the partial discoloration video effect to your video in CapCut PC. So import your video you like to edit, and for example, and go to effect, select video effect, select nickel, and select the partial discoloration right here. But this is for effect, you have to join purpose to be able to use this effect. So download and add to the track, and you can adjust for the duration and line with the video duration. And you can change for the option right here for the filter, strength, and opacity, and speed. So you can see for the panel we select this. Alright, so that's how you can be partial discoloration. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.